Okay, this is the air conditioner. It's a nice size. This is where you put in the water. Probably not smart to do it one-handed. Okay, that helps with the air conditioning part because you can just use it as a fan. Okay, you can turn it on as just a fan. It has 3 levels. You can chime it, and then you can press the cool. You can kind of see the little mist that comes out. You can definitely feel it getting colder. You can see it right along the edge there. It has a light. It's all sorts of different colors. And a UV light. It's easy, it's portable,